going on, everybody? ByLo back here again, another video. Right now I'm at the skate park of Tampa. I'm about to pick up my Travis SBs. I was one of the raffle winners for a size 7.5. There's line's a little long outside for pickup. I just parked right now, about to head out, pick up the shoes. I'm excited. I never win any of these raffle things, so we'll be doing some unboxing and things like that later on once I get home. They also have a cool tee that they released for the shoes, so I'll probably get that too. And yeah, so let me go pick up the shoes, and we'll see you guys when I get to the house and start unboxing. What's going on, everybody? ByLo back here with another video. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I usually do like tech stuff, but I'm also into sneakers and all that. If you guys don't know me, I also do custom watch bands. This is one of them. This one's almost sold out, actually, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at ByLo Design. I'm going to be trying to do another custom band for these shoes coming out soon. I'm working on that. I have a lot of other stuff out, so make sure you guys follow me again at ByLo Design, ByLoDesign, on Instagram. And today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of the Travis Scott SBs. I just got these last week. At the beginning of the video, it shows me in the car about to pick them up. I didn't have enough time last week to do a video, so today's my day off. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing, show you guys some details, and these things are sick. Also, shout out to the skate park of Tampa for the shirt. They did this release for the shoes, so I copped one of these too. I never win any raffles, so I was surprised to even win. They did like a ticket raffle kind of thing. First one was free. Any extra tickets were $10. I bought 4 tickets plus the free one, so a total of 5 tickets won me these shoes for a chance to buy them. They were $150 plus the shirt was like $25, so that's $175. And then I spent the $40 on tickets, so a little over $200 for everything. I'm kind of tempted to resell them, but at the same time, they look really nice. They're even better in person. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing, dude. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do a close-up shots after. There they are. Bam. Come with the extra laces. They have the rope laces on them. Suede top. You got the black and the pink swoosh. Nike on the back. You got the paisley bandana print, and then the plaid right here. This also wears off, so I'm kind of excited once I wear them to see how that comes off to the elephant print. Might actually do a band just for that, because I also have a cement print band for the Jordan 3s. And then let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Bam. Bam. And then you also get the extra laces right there. I kind of like the rope ones, though. They're pretty cool. But if I do switch them out, I'm probably going to use the pink ones. You got the suede top right there. It's pretty cool. Cactus Jack right there. Some nice details. That's that. Second one. There you go. I got the regular box version. They weren't doing the special release for that. That was only on the website. So, I mean, like I said, these are reselling for crazy money right now. But I just can't justify paying $1,200 for another pair. So I might as well just keep these. Really nice. I'll do some close-up shots right now. If you guys also got lucky with the raffles or got a chance to get them, let me know what you guys think of the shoe. If you sold them, if you kept them, all that good stuff. And let's go into some more shots. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Quick unboxing, new Travis Scott's. Again, if you guys need some custom watch bands for your Apple Watch, please be sure to follow me at ByLo Design on Instagram. Hopefully, I'll be doing another release custom band for these shoes soon. I'm still deciding on what kind of design I want to do, but I'm looking forward to that release. I'm pretty new to YouTube, so if you guys can like, subscribe, all that good stuff, I really appreciate it. It helps me out. I think I'm at 30 subs right now, trying to get to 100 at least, and then just go from there. Hopefully get my hands on some new sneakers, do more reviews. I got some Yeezys that pretty worn out, but I got these. Got the Oxford 10s too, all worn, pretty much beat up at this point. But if you guys do want to see any videos of those, let me know. I'll be happy to do any kind of reviews or close-up looks. Again, I appreciate you guys watching, taking the time out of your day to watch. Hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see you guys in the next video.